Seniors, what if the real reason you feel weaker is not your age, but what you're missing every morning? Most people think muscle loss is normal after 60, but that's not true. Your body is still trying to rebuild muscle every day. The problem is, it does not have the right support to do it. You can eat a lot of protein and stay active, but if your body is missing collagen, your muscles cannot stay strong. Think of it this way. Protein builds muscle, but collagen holds it together. So let me show you 3 simple foods that help your body rebuild strength the right way. But before we start, drop your age and where you're watching from. It's always great hearing from you. Now let's begin. Food 1. Fish skin broth. Fish skin broth is one of the richest natural sources of collagen. It's lighter and easier to absorb than other types, especially as you get older. It helps rebuild the structure of your muscles and supports your joints. Many seniors notice they feel more stable and steady after adding it to their routine. Food 2. Eggs. Eggs give your body a signal to start building muscle. They contain leucine, an amino acid that tells your body to start building muscle. They also provide complete protein and vitamin D. This helps your body use nutrients more effectively. A simple breakfast with eggs helps activate your body's natural repair system early in the day. Food 3. Avocado. Even if you eat the right foods, your body still needs to absorb and use those nutrients properly. Avocado helps with that. It contains healthy fats and potassium, which support muscle function and help prevent weakness and cramps. More importantly, it helps your body absorb nutrients better, so the protein and collagen you eat are actually used instead of wasted. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel.